Hey there, and welcome to my channel. If you love interior design and decorating, hunting for vintage at thrift stores, going to antique malls, estate sales, and flea markets, if you enjoy room makeovers, DIYs, and Italian Greyhound shenanigans, if you appreciate slow decorating and sharing tricks and tips for getting the look for less, then you are in the right place. Subscribe, turn on all of your notifications, and follow along on my journey to elevate my home, my life, and find unique treasures in the wild. Excuse me, did you do this? Did you chew that? Coconut. Miss, I'm trying to film. Okay, so Cokie, you're making a lot of noise.